Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're checking out the best Awning digital multimeter testers that are perfect for tackling electrical measurements with precision and ease. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, an electrician, or a technician, these multimeters offer accuracy, durability, and user-friendly features. We'll review the top models, their key functions, and why they're a great addition to your toolkit. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to level up your testing game, let's get started. Number 5. Awning VD807 Digital Electric Tester. Looking for a reliable, versatile, and compact voltage detector? The Awning VD807 Digital Electric Tester might just be your perfect solution. Designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this smart tester pin combines functionality, safety, and user-friendly features in a portable package. Smart testing modes. The Awning VD807 offers both contact and non-contact voltage detection. Whether you're measuring AC voltage or working on non-contact tests, it ensures precise and reliable results every time. Intuitive LCD display. The easy-to-read LCD screen clearly displays readings, making it perfect for quick diagnostics. You won't have to guess anymore. The numbers are crystal clear. Dual alarm system. Safety is a priority, and this tester delivers with a bright red LED and a buzzer sound alarm. You'll always know when you're in the presence of live voltage. Built-in LED torch. A bright white LED torch ensures you can work even in poorly lit areas. It's a lifesaver for those tricky spots where visibility is an issue. Number 4. Awning A3005 Digital Multimeter Tester. When it comes to precision and convenience in electrical diagnostics, the Awning A3005 Digital Multimeter Tester stands out as a must-have tool. Designed with both professionals and hobbyists in mind, this pin-type multimeter offers an exceptional blend of innovation, reliability, and user-friendly features. True RMS automatic scanning. Forget about manually switching settings. This multimeter automatically identifies and measures DC voltage, AC voltage, resistance, and continuity. It's the perfect companion for quick and efficient testing. Wide measurement range. With the ability to measure voltages up to 600 V and resistance up to 40 ohms, it's equipped to handle a wide variety of tasks. Non-contact testing. The built-in NCV, non-contact voltage, and phase sequence measurement functions enhance safety, allowing you to test live wires without direct contact. Clear and vibrant display. Number 3. Awning VC1019 Multimeter Tester. For anyone working with electrical systems, safety and precision are non-negotiable. Enter the Awning VC1019 Multimeter Tester, a cutting-edge, non-contact voltage detector designed to keep you safe and informed during electrical diagnostics. With its combination of advanced features and easy-to-use design, this tool is a game-changer for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Voice broadcast for clear alerts. One of the standout features of the Awning VC1019 is its intelligent voice broadcast. This tool doesn't just display readings, it speaks them out loud, making it incredibly easy to understand voltage levels, even in noisy environments. Non-contact detection. Safety is paramount, and the VC1019 allows you to detect voltages between 12 V and 1000 V without ever touching live wires. Just touch the tip of the pin to a terminal, socket. Number 2. Awning A3006 Multimeter Tester. If you're in need of a compact, reliable, and feature-packed multimeter for both professional and DIY electrical work, the Awning A3006 Multimeter Tester is a tool worth considering. This pin-type digital multimeter offers a robust range of functions and precision, making it a top choice for a variety of applications, from home repairs to more advanced electrical testing. True RMS accuracy. With true RMS, root mean square, measurement capability, the Awning A3006 ensures you get precise and reliable readings, even with non-sinusoidal signals. Whether you're testing AC or DC voltage, the results will be accurate, offering peace of mind. Versatile measurement ranges. This versatile tool can measure AC and DC voltages, capacitance, resistance, frequency, and even diodes with a broad range of values. It handles everything from 400 MV to 600 V of DC voltage, making it perfect for a wide variety of electrical tasks. Automatic range selection. No more manually adjusting settings. Number 1. Awning A3008 Digital Multimeter Tester. When it comes to tackling electrical projects, precision and versatility are key. The Awning A3008 Digital Multimeter Tester is the perfect tool to bring both to the table. With an impressive 6,000 counts display and a range of advanced features, this smart, mini multimeter is designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, offering both reliability and ease of use. True RMS for accurate measurements. The Awning A3008 boasts true RMS, root mean square, technology, ensuring that you get precise readings, even for complex signals. Whether you're measuring AC, DC voltage, resistance, or capacitance, the accuracy of your results will never be in doubt. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.